Hello, friends! Can you guess Peppa Pig's happy, sad, eating and sleeping faces? Before we start, remember to like, share and subscribe. Come on, let's have fun and find Peppa's happy face. Do you see a happy smile on Peppa's face here? Oh, this face looks different, not happy. Could this be Peppa's happiest face? No way! This isn't Peppa's happy face. What do you think? Is Peppa looking happy? No, this is Peppa Pig's sad face. Does this look like a happy Peppa Pig to you? Woohoo! You picked the right happy face.
Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa.
Susie Sheep has come to play with Peppa. Peppa loves Susie. Susie loves Peppa. They are best friends.
Kids, can you match Peppa Pig's eating expression? Look closely, kids. Is Peppa eating here? Nope, that's Peppa's sleepy face, not her snack face. Zoom in, friends. Is this Peppa's food face? Nope, that's a sad, not a tasty treat. Check carefully, kids. Is this Peppa's eating face? Yes, that's the eating face we're looking for.
Peppa and George are eating quickly, so they can get to the ice cream sooner. And everyone has finished their food. That means it's...
Ice cream time!
Hooray!
Can you find Peppa Pig's face when she's feeling tired? What do you think, kids? Is Peppa Pig sleepy here? Oops, that's not her sleepy face. Try again. Do you think Peppa Pig is about to nap? Correct. Peppa looks so sleepy here.
How about this?
Daddy Pig has given Peppa a baby monitor and put the other in George's room.
Now you can see each other whenever you like.
Don't worry, George. I'm right here. Night-night.
Peppa and George love having their own rooms.
Night-night.
And they love each other too.
Kids, can you match the sad Peppa Pig face here? Perfect! That's Peppa's sad face. Now you've learned about Peppa Pig's face expressions.
Stand back. Ready, steady, go! Whee! Look at me! I'm flying like a bird. Oh, I can't get out.
Peppa is stuck in the tyre.
It's not funny.